a pink delight. Clouds of berries danced in sight. Its whistle sang a fruity tune, glowing bright beneath the moon. Through candy fields it chugged with cheer, past rivers of chocolate, smooth and near. Inside the cars the fruits would play, laughing and singing all the way. Apples clapped while bananas swayed, grapes told jokes and mangoes played. At lollipop towns the children smiled, each gift of fruit made hearts beguiled. With marshmallow folks in jelly crowns, the engine brought